Hi, welcome to the Shadetree Garage. I'm your host, Jim. This YouTube channel takes its name from the fact that I have a 50-plus year career as a do-it-yourselfer, working on cars and vehicles of all sorts underneath the local shade tree. But now I have a garage it keeps me out of the elements and a nice concrete floor, and I couldn't be happier. So this channel will chronicle the work I'm going to do on my 1956 Plymouth that was last refinished in 1987. It's got a 30-foot paint job. You know, it looks pretty good from 30 feet away, but it has surface rust showing up underneath some of the trim, Bondo and rust bubbles on several panels. So I've got my work cut out for me. And in fact, I'll be doing a lot of cutting out as part of the work. The Shadetree Garage will also chronicle repairs and updates to the interior of the Plymouth, as well as repairs and needed on other vehicles here at home. So you don't know what you're going to get from one video to the next here on the Shadetree Garage. But I'm glad you're here. Please take a little time and check out the videos. Please consider subscribing and like the ones you do enjoy. And feel free to leave a comment about what you like and what you would like to see. One of the goals of this YouTube channel will be to add and create content about the 1956 model year Plymouth, and in this case, the Belvedere. But this information will also apply to the Savoy and the Plaza. There's not a lot of YouTube content out there right now, and I'll be doing simple things like replacing a cigarette lighter, more complicated tasks like adding seat belts, replacing carpet, replacing the headliner, etc. So please stay tuned. Please come back often, check for updates, or please subscribe and ring the bell, and we'll make sure you stay up to date on the latest content. In the meantime, enjoy your visit. Please leave a comment, and we'll see you again next time here on the Shadetree Garage.